Hello and welcome to Debbie Loves Designing. Well, today I'm so excited to share with you that I made a lovely pair of earrings. I made it up, so I'd like to show you how easy but effective you can make these beautiful dangle earrings. So what you will need today is some wire, jewelry wire. This, you don't need this much, I'm just showing you. This is 22 gauge hard wire that I'm using. We're just going to use a piece of it. You're going to need a bead of your choice, whatever, small or large. You're going to need a jump ring that can open. This is a jump ring and it can open. And also you will need, last but not least, you will need an earring wire to go inside your ear. And as for the pliers, you'll need round nose pliers. You will need nylon jaw pliers. You will need flat nose pliers, and you will need some flush cutters. We're going to take our jewelry wire, we're going to pick up our round nose pliers, put it at the end, and we're going to turn to form a small loop. So just turn it and to form a small loop at the end. So it should look something like this. Then we're going to pick up our jaw pliers and we're going to make a bigger spiral. So just clamp the head and pull this down and turn it. So clamp the head again, turn. Clamp it and bend this down. Clamp it, keep turning. Might be a bit fiddly, but it's fine. You're just going to adjust it. So you're going to clamp it again, and then you're going to bend the wire down because we're going to form a nice spiral shape. Try and not let the wire go on top of each other. It's a spiral that we are going to form. So if you just kind of clamp it and then turn it. So we'll like clamp it here, turn, clamp it again and turn. So you see that the circle will get bigger and bigger. And if you see that the circle's getting a bit funny, you just adjust it, because that can happen. You just kind of adjust it and clamp it again, turn it. Might sort of go on the underneath, but you just easy, just adjust it like that. Turn it again, clamp it again, turn, clamp it again, keep turning until you make a big circle. Well, you make the circle the size that you want it to be, whatever size that is. You want it big, but mine obviously has got to match the other one. I'll keep clamping and turning because I want it to get to the size of this one, because I've made one already obviously. So let's clamp it again hard, turn it and keep moving round, making sure that the wire is next to each other, not on top of each other. But when I see if this circle's getting a bit like funny, then I just kind of push it together, and then I'll clamp it again, turn it, keep on. You might have to adjust your hand like that, forming a circle. Clamp the head again and pull round. And just move your hand around. I want it to be the same as this one, because obviously I want them to be the same. I don't want one big circle, one small circle, so I like my earrings to match. So I have to turn it more again. So you're going to clamp here, move the wire. Maybe I should turn it this way, see. Hold it like this, move it down. Hold it like this, move it down. Hold it and then move it so that the wire is next to each other. You can just adjust it a bit because it can get a little bit lopsided, but you just persevere until you make how you like the circle to look. I'm going to just get my other earring and see. Oh, nearly, let me see if it's matching. Turn it to me. Oh, isn't that lovely? It's matching. So the next thing we're going to do, I'm going to measure it. I'm just going to put them together and see how much I need to cut off. Okay, so put it here, so I need to just cut off enough for the bead and to turn it. So roughly, I'll just cut to here, because it's better to cut off more than you need than less, because you know. Anyway, get me flush cutters. Gonna cut it about here. Okay, so I've cut it about here. Gonna pick up my bead, pick up the bead that you're going to use, and just thread it on. So it's going to look a little bit lopsided, so you have to just bend it, just turn it so it's nice and straight. Just nice and straight. Then just check that it's, sometimes the circle could look a bit lopsided, but all you have to do is just bend it into shape. That's it, because the wire's not too hard, so you can just adjust it. So we've got it looking like that. I'm just going to turn it a little bit more so that it's nice and straight, and push the bead down so it's secure. So here we are. Oh, sorry. So here we are. It's the same, right? So we're going to form a loop. So we're going to pick up our flush cutters. I leave about a width of my finger to form the loop. About a width, that's like it's like half a centimetre, I think. Yeah, not one, about half a centimetre roughly. So where my finger is, I'm going to cut there. About, yeah, width of your finger, your small finger that is. So it should look like that. So that's enough to make a hoop, make a loop. So we're going to put our round nose pliers around the middle, nothing here, and then we're going to just turn. Hold it, and we're going to turn just to form a loop. And then we'll put it underneath and then close it. I'm going to pull it down a little bit more and make a hoop. So we've moved it. You can either pick up your flat nose pliers and you can close it. Yeah, just give it a close with your flat nose pliers. Or if you don't have any, you can just put your round nose pliers inside and just move it. But anyway, we've got the hoop on. We've straightened it up so it looks nice and straight, like that. And then we're going to pick up our jump ring. Now we're going to pick up our jump ring, which is a bit pretty, and we're going to open it slightly. We open our jump ring and we're going to thread it onto the earring hoop, and then we're going to thread on the air wire. So I'm just using my round nose pliers to hold it together. I'm going to pick up my earring hook and we're going to just push it on, that's it, so that it's together, and then we're going to just close the ring. What I like to do with my jump ring is like to push it together and then push it, sort of let it overlap, and then open it back, and then so it's clamped together like so. So it's still a bit open, so I like to just pull it apart with my round nose pliers and then push it together. Either use your hand, I like to use my hand, or sometimes you can pick up your flat nose pliers and just make sure that it is flushed. Make sure that it's together. So yeah, nice and together. So there we are, and it's matching the other earring. So you see how easy and effective it is to make a nice pair of dangly earrings. Absolutely lovely. So thank you so much for watching my channel. If you've got any questions or any comments, please comment down below. Please consider subscribing, and if you do subscribe to me, please remember to click the notification bell so they let you know that I have made another video. And please follow me on my, if you like, on my Instagram, on my Facebook, on my Twitter, and I'm on Pinterest as well. I will leave the DLs below. And also I have an Etsy shop, which I've opened an Etsy shop not long ago, a couple of months ago, slowly adding some handmade jewelry. So if you'd like to have a look on my Etsy shop, I'll be very appreciative. Or share this video, or share my Etsy shop to anybody that likes earrings. I'm going to be adding much more stuff on it because I absolutely love it. So thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.